Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 5 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was Vijay Bardhan appointed as Chief Secretary of which state? Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, option D Gujarat. The correct answer here is option B Haryana. The Haryana government has appointed the senior IS officer Vijay Bardhan as the new Chief Secretary of the state. Okay. Haryana is in news. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Chief Minister is Manohar Lal Khattar and Satyanarayan Arya is the Governor of Haryana. Our second question was who has inaugurated the Vaibhav Summit? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Dr. Harshvardhan, option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Option A is correct here. Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaigyanik Vaibhav Summit on 2nd October through video conferencing. Okay, remember the name of the summit, name is Vaibhav Summit. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is who addressed the United Nations on the 25th anniversary of the 4th World Conference of Women? Smriti Irani, Aparajita Sarangi, Uma Bharti, option D, none of these. As per you see the image of Smriti Irani here, the correct answer here is option A, Smriti Irani. Smriti Irani, Union Minister for Women and Child Development, addressed the United Nations on the 25th anniversary of the 4th World Conference on Women. Okay, remember Smriti Irani is our Union Minister for Women and Child Development. Okay, next question. Who addressed the inaugural session of CII Life Science Conclave 2020? Dr. Harshvardhan, D.V. Sadanand Gowda, Narendra Modi, option D, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizer, D.V. Sadanand Gowda. Recently, Union Minister for Chemical and Fertilizer, D.V. Sadanand Gowda, addressed the inaugural session of CII Life Science Conclave 2020. Life Science Conclave 2020 on 30 September. It is said in 30 September. Okay. You can see the image of Sadanand Gowda here, Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Question number 3. Which state is said to establish India's first vulture breeding and conservation center? Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, option D, Rajasthan. The correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Option C is correct here. Recently, Uttar Pradesh government decided to establish the first vulture conservation and breeding center is going to be set up at Bhari Baisi village in Gorakhpur Forest Division. Image of vulture here. Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath and Anandiben Patel is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, remember Uttar Pradesh is the first India's first state to going to establish a vulture breeding and conservation center. Okay, next question. India has set up a screening panel to vet which country's foreign investment proposal? Japan, China, Australia, option D, Nepal. The correct answer here is China. Option C is correct. India has set up a screening panel to vet all Chinese foreign investment proposal and those considered the non-controversial could be approved. Okay, China. More than 100 proposals of FDI, foreign direct investment, more than 100 FDI is pending recently now. FDI, foreign direct investment. Next question. Which surface-to-surface nuclear capable ballistic missile is test fired in Odisha? Surya, Agni, Akash, Nag. The correct answer here is Shaurya. Recently, India on 3rd October successfully test fired an advanced version of the Shaurya surface to surface nuclear capable ballistic missile. It is a nuclear capable ballistic missile, and remember, Shaurya is a surface to shear surface missile. Okay, and one thing, the strike range of the Shaurya missile is, which is test fired, is 800 kilometer, each 800 kilometer, and remember it is test fire from Odisha. Okay, next question. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, announced its Venus mission in which year? 2021, 2022, 2024, option D 2025. The correct answer here is option D 2025. Recently, ISRO has announced his Venus mission in 2025. Okay, ISRO is in news. Facts of ISRO is, abbreviation is Indian Space Research Organization, headquarters is situated in Bengaluru, and the chairman of ISRO is K. Sivan. You can see the image of K. Sivan, the famous scientist of India here. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Which bank introduced Kisan Credit Card loan for Tamil Nadu's fishermen? The fishermen of Tamil Nadu. HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Indian Bank, option D IDBI Bank. The correct answer here is Indian Bank. Recently, Indian Bank has introduced a Kisan Credit Card loan scheme for Tamil Nadu's fishermen. Remember, it is the loan for Tamil Nadu's fishermen, and loan up to 2 lakhs will be given. Loan up to 2 lakhs will be given. Okay. Indian Bank is in news. The headquarters of Indian Bank is situated in Chennai, and the MD and CEO of Indian Bank is Padmaja Chunduru. Remember the name, Padmaja Chunduru is the MD and CEO of Indian Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. The 19th round of FOC held between India and which country? Myanmar, Maldives, Japan, option D Sri Lanka. The correct answer here is Myanmar. Recently, the 19th round Foreign Officer Consultation, FOC, the abbreviation of FOC is Foreign Officer Consultation, held between India and Myanmar on 1st October through video or the virtual mode. It is held in virtual mode. Myanmar. The Foreign Secretary of India, Harshvardhan Sringala, represented India in this meeting. Okay. Next question. A cyber safety awareness campaign is started. It started in which state? It started in which state? Goa, Karnataka, Assam, option D Manipur. The correct answer here is in northeast state Assam. Option C is correct here. A month-long cyber safety awareness campaign targeting the youth stars has been launched in Assam. Recently, a cyber safety awareness campaign is launched in Assam. Remember, okay, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Next question. SEBI has imposed how much penalty of NSE on NSE? SEBI has imposed how much penalty on NSE? 5 crore, 6 crore, 8 crore, option D 10 crore. The correct answer here is 6 crore. Option B is correct here. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, abbreviation is Securities and Exchange Board of India, has slapped a penalty of 6 crore on National Stock Exchange, NSE. The abbreviation is, remember, National Stock Exchange recently imposed 6 crore penalties. I hope you got the answer now. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. We will discuss the answer in our next session. Okay, our first question is, who is appointed as new Labor Secretary of India? Our second question is, who has developed an RT-PCR kit which give results in 2 hours. Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, and if you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, if you first visitor of Educational Wing YouTube channel, then you can subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.